Welcome to the in front of me iPad Pro 4th generation, and I'll show you how to switch on flashlight on this device. So just to do that, we should first open the control center, and if you didn't see the torch icon, like in my case here, so we should add it. Just to do that, we should first open the settings application and then just tap to the control center. After that, scroll here down, and in control center we should find somewhere here torch icon, torch option. Just click here on this green plus, and after that we can see that the torch automatically added here to the included controls. So let's just check, and we can see here this torch icon. Just click once here to the torch if you want to turn it on. So now let's check, and we can see that we just successfully activated the torch, the flashlight. If you wanna just turn it off by the same way, just open control center and click here on this torch icon. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.